Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review the 35 best Amazon home tech gadgets that make everyday life smarter and easier. Electric Plug House. From smart home devices to useful tech tools, we review practical gadgets you'll actually use. That truly upgrades your home experience. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more home kitchen gadget reviews. Make laundry easy anywhere with this 16L mini foldable laundry machine. Designed for baby clothes, underwear, and socks, it delivers powerful yet gentle washing with a built-in spinner. Lightweight, portable, and space-saving, it's perfect for travel, dorm rooms, small apartments, and camping, giving you clean clothes anytime, anywhere, without the hassle of a full-size washer. Bring big screen fun anywhere with the Vispal Full HD 1080p mini projector. This portable outdoor projector includes a tripod and works with Android, iOS, Windows, TV sticks, HDMI, and USB devices. Perfect for home theater movies, gaming, or kids' entertainment, it delivers crisp, vibrant images wherever you set up. Compact and easy to use, it's a great gift for movie lovers and families who want cinema-style viewing at home or on the go. Keep your meals fresh on the go with the LifeWit Medium Insulated Lunch Bag. Designed for men and women, this soft cooler offers excellent insulation to keep food hot or cold for hours. With a 9L capacity that fits up to 12 cans, a sleek black design, and durable leak-resistant materials, it's perfect for work, travel, picnics, or daily use. Upgrade your shower with the Viken-wide high-pressure rain shower head with handheld. This detachable dual shower system offers multiple spray modes for a customizable experience, combining a wide rainfall head with a powerful handheld. The 15 metal extension arm adds style and flexibility, while the chrome silver finish enhances your bathroom decor. Enjoy invigorating water flow and spa-like comfort every day. Keep your valuables sparkling with this 48 kHz ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. Using powerful ultrasonic waves, it gently removes dirt from jewelry, eyeglasses, rings, watch straps, and dentures. The 304 stainless steel tank ensures durability, while dual cleaning modes offer quick or deep cleaning. Just add water, press a button, and enjoy professional-level cleaning at home in minutes. Travel smarter with this lightweight folding stroller wagon, designed for babies and toddlers on the go. Featuring a 360 degrees reversible seat, adjustable canopy for sun protection, and a convenient storage basket, it keeps your child comfortable and essentials close. Compact, easy to fold, and airplane-friendly, this umbrella stroller is perfect for travel, daily walks, and family adventures. Upgrade hygiene with this automatic foaming soap dispenser. It's touchless, rechargeable, and wall-mountable, with adjustable foam output and a built-in clock. Perfect for bathrooms or kitchens, it delivers clean, mess-free soap for adults and kids with every wave of your hand. Beat the heat anywhere with the Arctic Air Pure Chill 2.0. This lightweight and portable evaporative air cooler uses advanced hydrochill technology to turn warm air into cool, refreshing comfort. Powerful yet whisper-quiet, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, and living rooms, delivering personal cooling that's energy-efficient and easy to use wherever you need it. Upgrade your couch comfort with the Nuvant Couch Cup Holder Tray. Crafted from premium acacia wood, this 3-in-1 sofa arm tray features a spacious surface for drinks, snacks, and essentials. The secure clip-on design fits most sofa armrests, while the built-in 360-degree rotating phone holder keeps your screen at the perfect viewing angle. Stylish, sturdy, and functional, it's the ideal solution for relaxing, working, or enjoying entertainment right from your couch. Light up late-night bathroom trips with Toylight, the original toilet bowl night light. This fun and useful motion sensor gadget automatically glows when you approach, lighting the bowl without harsh overhead lights. Easy to install and energy efficient, it adds humor and convenience to any bathroom. A perfect novelty gift or stocking stuffer for him or her. Get creative and fix faster with this 20W hot glue gun kit. Featuring fast preheating and high-temperature hot melt power, It delivers strong, reliable bonding in seconds. Perfect for school crafts, DIY art projects, and quick home repairs, the kit includes 30 glue sticks and an easy-to-use design that's safe, lightweight, and ideal for everyday crafting needs. Upgrade your workspace with the KDD Desk Pad Mat Set, a smart 6-in-1 solution for modern home offices. This large mouse mat comes with magnetic desktop accessories you can customize your way. Use it as a phone or tablet stand, cup holder, pen and card holder, and cable organizer. The smooth surface improves mouse control while protecting your desk from scratches and spills. Stylish, functional, and flexible, it keeps your workspace organized and productive. LED table. Upgrade your living space with the Sedetta 40-inch lift-top coffee table, designed for both style and functionality. Its smooth lift-top design creates a convenient workspace or dining surface, while hidden storage keeps your essentials neatly organized. Two spacious drawers provide easy access to remotes, magazines, and everyday items. The built-in LED light adds a modern touch, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any living room or reception area. Finished in sleek black, this compact yet versatile table fits beautifully in small spaces, combining practicality with contemporary design. Lint remover. Restore your fabrics with the Electrolux rechargeable fabric shaver, designed to eliminate fuzz, lint, and pilling from clothes and furniture. With 3 adjustable speeds and a sharp, efficient shaving system, it delivers quick, gentle refreshes to your garments. The LED display shows power and speed levels, while the Type-C fast charging port keeps it ready anytime. Stylish in blue, it's a powerful tool for keeping fabrics looking new. Dock Hub. Upgrade your connectivity with the Anchor 5-in-1 USB-C hub. This compact hub features a 4K HDMI port for crisp, clear displays, plus 1 powered USB-C and 2 powered USB-A 3.0 ports delivering fast 5 gigabits per second data transfer. Perfect for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Dell, and more, it expands your laptop's capabilities instantly. Ideal for work, streaming, and multitasking, this hub keeps your setup efficient and clutter-free. Meet the Priestley Small Air Purifier, a quiet, desktop-friendly solution for cleaner air in your home, bedroom, dorm, or office. With a 3-in-1 HEPA filter, it captures smoke, dust, pet dander, allergies, and odors. Operating at just 20 dB, it's whisper quiet while freshening your space. Plus, it doubles as an essential oil diffuser to add a calming scent to your environment. Perfect for healthier, fresher air every day. Fingerprint door lock. Upgrade your home security with the Ironson 5-in-1 fingerprint door lock, the 2025 smart deadbolt designed for fast, keyless convenience. This advanced lock offers fingerprint access, a touchscreen keypad, app control for IC cards, and traditional keys for flexible entry. With lightning-fast recognition and auto-lock technology, it keeps your home secure without any hassle. Manage codes, check access history, and control settings right from the app. Perfect for homes, apartments, or offices, this upgraded smart lock delivers stronger security and smarter control in one sleek design. Experience music like never before with the magnetic levitation Bluetooth speaker. This futuristic gadget floats in the air while delivering 5W of powerful sound with Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity. Perfect for home or office, it combines cool tech design with premium audio, making it a unique gift and stylish decor piece that impresses everyone. Meet the 12 South Airfly SE, a compact Bluetooth audio transmitter that turns any 3.5mm AUX jack into a wireless connection for your AirPods or headphones. With over 20 hours of battery life, it's perfect for airplanes, TVs, gym machines, and travel. Just plug in, pair your earbuds, and enjoy cable-free audio anywhere you go. Simple, reliable, and built for life on the move. Toothbrush cleaner. Keep your toothbrush fresh and hygienic with the Bitvi toothbrush cleaner holder, designed to clean and air dry your brush automatically. Featuring an intuitive LED smart screen, it shows real-time cleaning status and battery levels for effortless use. This rechargeable, wall-mounted design saves counter space while keeping your bathroom organized. Perfect for daily use, It ensures your toothbrush stays dry, clean, and ready whenever you need it. A smart, modern upgrade for any bathroom. Clothes dryer. Dry your clothes anywhere with the Majoko portable clothes dryer, the compact solution perfect for apartments, RVs, and travel. Despite its small size, it delivers fast, quiet drying with an adjustable timer for customized use. Lightweight and easy to set up, this mini dryer offers hassle-free convenience wherever you go. Ideal for quick drying needs, it keeps your laundry routine simple and efficient. Keep your drink hot with this coffee mug warmer. Designed for the fastest heating and highest temperature to maintain your coffee or tea just the way you like it. It features 4 temperature settings and a 1 to 12-hour timer with auto shutoff for safety. Perfect for your desk or home, this smart electric beverage warmer ensures every sip stays warm and enjoyable throughout your day. Power up everything at once with this 5-in-1 wireless charging station for Apple devices. Designed for iPhone 17, 16e, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12 Pro Max, it delivers fast, stable wireless charging. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously on one sleek stand, saving space, reducing cable clutter, and keeping your desk or nightstand perfectly organized. Stay organized anywhere with the Fomemo D30 label maker machine. This portable Bluetooth mini thermal label printer connects easily to your phone for quick, ink-free printing. Compact, handheld, and rechargeable, it's perfect for office and home organization. With rich icons, fonts, and multiple templates, creating clean, professional labels is fast, simple, and fun. Capture every word with clarity using the Evistra 64GB digital voice recorder. This portable mini recorder features voice-activated recording, crystal-clear audio, and instant playback, perfect for lectures, meetings, and interviews. With massive 64GB storage, USB plug-and-play, MP3 support, and long battery life, it's a reliable dictaphone you can carry anywhere and record effortlessly. Enjoy convenience right from your couch with the Couch Console original tray. This sleek sofa caddy securely fits over your armrest, holding drinks, snacks, your phone, and TV remotes all in one place. Designed with multiple compartments and a built-in phone stand, it keeps everything within easy reach. Perfect for living rooms, RVs, or even cars, its durable black design blends seamlessly with any space, making relaxation cleaner, easier, and more comfortable. Stay cool and comfortable with the Drio Nomad 1 Tower Fan. Delivering powerful 25 feet per second airflow with ultra-quiet performance, it's perfect for bedrooms and indoor spaces. Featuring 90 degrees oscillation, 4 speeds, 4 smart modes, and an 8-hour timer, this sleek bladeless standing fan provides smooth, refreshing air while saving space and energy. Brighten your space with the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic, a modern corner LED lamp with 1,000 lumens and 16 million DIY colors. It works with Alexa for voice control and features music sync to pulse lights with your tunes. Perfect for bedrooms and living rooms, this smart floor lamp brings dynamic, customizable lighting to any room, stylish, fun, and easy to control. Rideable luggage. Travel becomes easier and more fun with this 20-inch ride-on luggage featuring a foldable seat for kids and adults. The sturdy hardshell design includes a safety seat belt, a convenient front pocket, and lockable 4-spinner wheels for smooth movement. With a built-in USB port and TSA-approved lock, it keeps your essentials secure and your devices powered. Perfect for airports, family trips, and on-the-go comfort. Transform any room with the Anokic Galaxy Projector, a star and aurora light show with a built-in Bluetooth speaker. Perfect for kids and adults, it creates a relaxing night light atmosphere for home decor, parties, or bedtime. Pair your music for an immersive sound and light experience, and enjoy calming white noise and dynamic visuals. A stunning gift that brings magic and mood to any space. Meet the Enabot Ebio Rolla Mini Family Bot, a smart 2K pet camera robot that moves freely around your home. Control it from your phone, enjoy real-time video, one-touch calling, and clear two-way talk. With night vision, motion detection, video recording, and a long-lasting battery, it's the perfect way to stay connected with your pets and family anytime. Humidifier. Keep your air comfortable with the Levoit Top Fill Humidifier, designed with a 2.5L tank for bedrooms and large rooms. Its easy top-fill design makes refilling and cleaning simple, while the 28 dB quiet operation is perfect for homes, nurseries, and plants. With up to 25 hours of cool mist, BPA-free materials, and auto shutoff for safety, this humidifier delivers reliable, soothing moisture day and night.